Hello, Chris from BlackboxMyCar here. Today we're going to talk about the IROAD X9 and its Wi-Fi smartphone app. The X9 is IROAD's North American debut, and it's a 2-channel flagship dash camera featuring full HD front and rear recording at 1080p with 30 frames per second. The front camera uses a Sony Starvis Sensor and the rear camera uses a Sony Exmor Sensor. This means you'll have amazing quality day or night. X9 also features parking mode by motion detection or impact detection. By using the smartphone app, you can control the sensitivity of when these are triggered and when the recording will start. So let's get into the Wi-Fi app. The first thing you need to do is connect to the X9's built-in Wi-Fi network using the password provided by IROAD's documentation. Once connected, make sure that you have the right dash cam on your menu. From there, you can adjust settings, add another dash cam, connect to the X9, and as you can see, we're in live view. The unique thing about the X9 is that you can pinch to zoom in live view mode, in the front, and in the back as well. So being able to toggle between front and rear in real time as well as pinching to zoom gives this dashcam so much more fidelity and greater ability than other dashcams that we've seen before in the past. Now you also have the ability to take screenshots. Zoom in and click on the screenshot button in the center, and that'll be saved to your internal phone storage. And now we're back to the recordings menu, and here you can see that parking mode has started and things were listed out by motion or shock. So as we keep looking through, you can view more. There's a lot of motion detection here. And let's take a look at nighttime footage. So you can see at night, the recording quality is still very nice. You can still zoom in for greater fidelity, and just overall general exposure is very nice, even with very low lighting. You can see on the top right of the recording, it'll show you exactly what type of recording it was. Here we have shock detection, and previously there was motion detection recording. I think that's a very intuitive and smart way for you to remember what kind of clip you're watching, as well as differentiate the footage that you see while live viewing. Now let's look into our settings. Here you can adjust things for the camera. So front camera settings such as recording frame rates, event frame rates, brightness level, resolution. Pretty much every feature you see on the X9 is configurable via the smartphone app. Let's check out rear camera. Same thing as the front, you can change recording frames and resolution, as well as adjust brightness if you have a tint in the back. You can also adjust time settings here, whether or not you're using daylight savings. And of course, go into regular settings, you can disable audio. You can choose whether or not to recycle clips or loop over footage. Keep event footage safe, and of course, set voltage cutoff and power off. And now we can move on to ADAS safety features. You can decide to use them, disable them. We have lane departure warning system, forward vehicle start alert, forward collision warning system, and lane departure speed detection, which will alert you when you're going out of your lane. From here you can configure the speeds of when that alerts you as well. And of course, parking mode or event settings. From here you configure whether or not you want to leave parking mode on and how it's detected, whether through shock or motion. And the length of the recording itself can be configured here, as well as sensitivity of detection for both impact and parking recording. And you can also configure how much storage on your SD card is used for parking mode recording. The final setting that we can look at here is the info setting. From here you can see your car's name, driver info, as well as firmware. Finish, exit, and make sure you save all your settings. And there you have it. You've changed all the settings and been able to navigate the Wi-Fi smartphone app on the IROAD X9.
Thank you for watching our video. We have so many dashcam options at BlackboxMyCar. Please come check us out on social media for the latest updates, contests, as well as upcoming dashcam news. Comment if you have any questions, and if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up.